Hello everybody and welcome for a new video. This video explains you all my game, so let's get right into it. You have three colors, all the colors are one element, each one just fights versus the right one. For example, blue points attack the red and you won 30 points because blue is 30, red is 0, so it's plus 30. The yellow guy played, so the yellow team won 30 points. But it doesn't work in the other way. So the black people just put a 30 on the red, and he can just place the 30 white everywhere on the board and or the color it matches with. So he put 40. So 30 is more than 30, so yellow people don't have points, and just black one have 40 points because 40 is more than 0. So yellow play 40 and it just annihilates points and plays 10 points because 40 is bigger than 30 of 10, and it goes all around like this. So the game is two teams, you can play with friends or just one versus one. So there's yellow and black people. You can place, I remind you, just the colors that matches. You cannot place red parts on blue ones. You have all the parts under your eyes, so you can choose what thing you want to place. And white ones or joker, you can place them wherever you want. So like this, the points are on from left to right. So for example, red is bigger than green, so there's points for the last people that placed the thing. For example, if black puts a point, it will take points. But if you take points and there's points of both teams, you have to take half of the points from each. So for example, there's 20 points for yellow and 20 for black, so it's 10 for all. So yes, you can take off your own points. It's like that the game just sometimes is annoying, and you have to just planify what points if you want to just do not win a lot of points in the beginning but win at the end, or etc. So it's like this. At the end of the game you cannot place, for example, the last red because there's 2 red, 2 green and 2 blue, because the red is full, so you don't have place to just place the last red, and the game is finished because you cannot play the red and it's the only remaining part. So it's the end. Thank you for watching, and tell me if you want another explanation videos because this one was short. Thank you.